you go preaching or tell me go buy me. That's how we tell the man sister didn't grow tell. With him say again the true man, no man is from say yeah. Oh look at your mother. Yeah. Oh look at your mother. Is that what they were? Oh, baby, I'm feeling so. I shall for money do this. I shall for money do the papa, money papa. Oh yes, Jesus. You ready to affirm you? Affirm papa.
You ready to affirm?
What then?
You ready to affirm? Come ma, baby, I'm a review.
Say me no me person me worry. Me question am I will wash away me. So what I say. Ti mama nko home.
What was saying? Huh? Mommy scared.
Customer, when you say the last week in the since the second, what the infant said, bon, customer, I feel me pia ko pretty. No matter the question you can ask, Miss Mama. Customer, I beg you in the name of Jesus. Please.
What's all in Jesus?
Yeah, I know.
I never begin to.
Customer, I have something here. Surprise to you, please. More phone, what am I fancy press? What I say, Miss Rowe. No man come there. Why? Miss Rowe.
As an answer, person will say,
customer, me say,
let me say, me free bill.
Customer, please don't do that. I beg you. I beg you. You people be training. I'm completely pretty. I love
me.
I shall want me, you're sure.
I'm funny, sir.
My brother,
I don't need me.
It's my voice. The phone.
Miss Rowe.
Me pastor, me worry. Me sick about you, sir.
Baba, you miss your mentor.
Okay, thank you.
For me.
Okay.
You man not going to do this, Amo. No.